Hi everybody. Lily, I think, is climbing the walls with boredom at the moment. She hasn't been out for a while, and she is desperately wanting to come out. She was in shed, she shared, but she ate. So of course then she was in digestion mode, and now she is, I know, well and truly bored with having been in this enclosure for what seems like weeks, I'm guessing, to Lily at this particular point. Hello, darling. Nice to see you. Hey? How you doing? You and your whistle nose. Hey? You and your whistles. What do you think? Doing good? Yeah. So, yeah, snakes do get bored. And I'm sure Lily is and has been totally bored with being stuck in there. But I'm actually going to be, I'm going to take you outside, Dale. Okay? So, and get out in that sun. But I am going to have to flip you over while I grab her. Actually, need two hands with Lily. So this really just breaks the boredom for them. And she's going back in. Can I have your tail? Oh, you just want to go up. Sorry guys, she's deciding I'm not going with you. I want to go where I want to go, but I will get her. I will get her, honestly. There we go. Cool. Let's go. Let's go do this. Get some sunshine on this girl of mine, who I'm sure once she realises she's outside, that's a good thing. She just doesn't know she's going there yet. I've actually just got home from having gone and done a couple of things that I've needed to do for a few days, and I could see her at the door before I left, and I'm thinking to myself, I can't do much till I get home. So she was certainly itching to come on out and go and do what Lily does. So, you know, I want you to realise that, you know, snakes will get bored just sitting in their enclosures all of the time. And this really does break the boredom. As you can see, another absolutely beautiful sunny day. We're getting closer to winter though, and the weather is starting to cool down, so it is about, yeah, getting outside as much as I possibly can with them, or with my snakes, at this particular point before we get to the cloudy, cold. Not that it really gets extremely cold here in Queensland, or where I am. And I'm not even really majorly north here, and I still get beautiful weather. But I'll swing you around. We'll see. Lily's probably thinking, well, I don't know, maybe she will go to the loo. Not sure. I'm just getting the rest of her off, and we'll see. But yeah, break the boredom. Can't get them outside, and lots of you can't get your snakes outside. But it isn't just about getting them outside, it's just getting them out of that enclosure. For me is what is greatly important, more than anything. And I was just about to make a cup of tea, and I was going to take Lily with me just to do that, which breaks the boredom. You know, it's occupying their brain, and they learn. They learn by coming out and doing things and being with you, not just building up that bond and that relationship with you, but their brain is always working out things and so forth. And you know, Lily is a prime example of that. She is, yeah, very intelligent. Look at that face. Look at that face. Hey? A beautiful face. Hey? How you doing? You good? So yeah, another beautiful day out in the sun with Lily, who needs it after being cooped up in shed, eating, digesting. She finally gets a chance to come on out and hi darling, hello beautiful. Can you see yourself? Can you? I think she can. Totally see herself in there, having a good old look around. Hey, don't think she knows what to do right now, so just lay there and check things out for a little while. I'm not going to make this, you know, a long video. I just wanted to get her out and let her come on outside. And it's a little bit warm, so I'm not going to let her go and squat herself on that at this point. What you doing, darling? Hey? It's all about caring for your snake. Is spending time with them, just getting them out, breaking that boredom. Like I said, it's boring staying in an enclosure, four walls, small space. Though Lily's in quite a big enclosure, but it's still a small space when you consider they live outside in the wild, and they've got so much space to get around and explore and climb and do things. So, you know, when I go back inside with Lily, she'll get to go up and climb and go to the hangout spot as Lily does. So I'm going to leave it there while Lily's going off. You take care of yourself, take care of your family, take care of your snakes or any animals that you have. Ciao.